For our first figure, this is a body that I use regularly for my Spider-Man. It can be used for other things as well, just depending on the color scheme you use. I'll use a 5-inch round. It's inflated to about 3 to 3.5 inches. And I've taken the liberty of drawing a Spider-Man face on this one. You can draw your own face, or you can get one of the Qualitex imprints with a Spider-Man, your choice. And then I've got 3 260s, 2 red, 1 blue, all with about a 4.5 to 5-inch tail on the end. We're going to start with one of our reds. Starting a nozzle in, twist about a 1-inch bubble, followed by another 1-inch bubble, and then twist those together, tucking the knot into the middle to secure it. Now we're going to make a small 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, another 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist as well. Now we're going to make about 1.5 inch bubble, followed by another 1/2-inch bubble. This will become a pinch twist. Another 1.5 inch bubble, and then followed by 2 more pinch twists. So a 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist. Another 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist as well. Now we have our first arm, and we're going to reverse it to create the other arm. So we're going to go back the other way. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2-inch bubble, into a pinch twist. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist. Another 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist. And then our 2 digits here, so 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, and then twist that into those pinch twists, securing it. We're going to pop the excess off. Secure that end in there. And this is our basic arm assembly here. Now we're going to set that aside for the moment and take our second red. We'll start by making about a 2-inch bubble. We're going to make 2 pinch twists, so a 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, another 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist. Now we're going to pop this excess off, but we want to keep it inflated because we're going to use the rest of this red to make our boots. So I'll take my little snippet over here and cut it off, making sure that I keep the remaining inflated portion here. And then we're just going to take and secure this loose end. And this is going to become the first part of his chest or torso. So we're going to take, and on our 2 arms, that double pinch twist in the middle, we're going to take and twist the knot into this, if I can hang on to it, into that. Be sure to secure it. And as you can see, that's going to be a part of his chest. These 2 here will be his neck. And we'll set that aside. And I'll go ahead and make the 2 boots out of this while I'm doing this. So we'll make about a 1-inch bubble, a 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, another 1-inch bubble, and then 2 more pinch twists for the top of the boot. So 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist. And again, we're going to take this excess off, but since we need to make 2 boots, we're going to keep the remainder inflated again. Tie it off and make sure and come back and secure this end really well. That's going to be one of our boots there. Now we need another boot, so we'll do the same thing we did before. Trim that. 1-inch bubble, 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, another 1-inch bubble, and then again 2 more pinch twists, so 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, and now we can just pop the rest of that off, and making sure you secure that loose end again. And there's our second boot. Now we're going to take our blue and our torso, Now you're going to take the knot of the blue and start at either one of the elbows here and twist it into the elbow. And now take, and you run it up alongside that upper arm there, and I'll kind of soften it, try to make it slightly smaller than that red part of the arm, and then twist it into that double pinch twist in the middle. And then you're going to come down along the body. We're going to go down, twist into the double pinch twist at the bottom, and then come back up into that one there. So, and again, I'll keep it kind of soft. Into that double pinch twist, and then come right back up to the one at the top. And then we're going to go out to the other elbow. How we started on this elbow, now we're going to go to the other one. So again, kind of soften it. Twist it into that second elbow. Now we're going to pop this excess off, but we want to keep this inflated. This will become part of our legs. So, tie the excess glue off. And then come back and make sure you get this loose end and secure it really well. And then we'll come around and position his arms so that the double pinch twist at the bottom, this becomes his waist. We'll put the two blue to the back and then bring these two blue around to the front and kind of nestle them into there just a little bit. And there you have his upper torso. Then we're going to take the blue we have left over and start by attaching one of the boots to one end. And figure out how long you want your legs to be. About 2 to 2.5 inches. And then go over so that you've got two legs. You can let go of that for a minute if you want. And then we're going to twist this into our other boot. Make sure you secure it really good and then pop this excess off. Secure that loose end. Now come back and find your middle point. And then that double ear twist at the bottom, we're just going to lock these legs into that, so come around from one side to the other. Bring them down to the middle and then cross them over. Straighten them up a little bit. And then come back and attach our head up with those double pinch twists up between his arms. And there we have a Spider-Man parody.